So, you're at the right place if you have a grill similar as mine, and I'm going to show you how to restore it if the structure is sound, and we will help you to restore it in such a way. So click on the link above if your grill is all falling apart like this one, and it'll take you to a video to show you how to repair that. But in this video we're going to show you just how easy it is to change out the element, which is very simple and easy. And I'll put a link in the bottom description to show you exactly where to buy this at. So Amazon dropped this off today. Now it's time to get back to repairing the grill. Right?
Yep.
So we went ahead and stuck these in. You just kind of slide them in there. Make sure inside here you can see how the ends are, just like the old ones, and you just stick them in there, and there's, we will space them out, and then we will put these crossover brackets in here like this. That way when the flame starts, it's turned on. So now what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and drill a hole in here and take care of that. Okay. Yep, that'll be good. That'll hold tight. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drill the holes there. Stick the next one in. You kind of slide it underneath like that. That way you can see there's a gap there, but you want it real tight on this side because of that hole. And then whenever the gas comes out flamed, it can jump across. So you know what you could do other than putting screws in this, Levi?
I don't know.
You can actually use the pump rivet gun, which would work too. Okay, you got that one in, and one more to go. And the last one's going in, isn't it? Great job. Okay, now we have that done. Now we have these covers. We could use the old covers, but you know it's kind of nice to use the new ones. What do you think?
Yeah.
And we'll go in here like this. Take the paper off of this, off of these. I actually take the plastic off, not paper, right?
Yep.
So these will get laid in here. They'll go in between these two brackets. And then what we'll do now is we'll take a set of cutters and cut a strip, cut back like this, and then bend this up on each side. Okay, we cut and bent these tabs up. That just kind of helps guide that right in there. So now what do? We're going to try this thing out.
Of course.
See if it's going to work the way it's supposed to.
Yep.
Let's try it out. Okay, we'll turn this thing on. Okay, we'll open up the valve. Doesn't matter. So let's turn all the burners on. And go ahead and light it. See if it works. Whoa, wow.
Get those blue flames. Well, you know there's one thing we gotta do.
What's
Put
that?
these on.
Put those on and then what?
Cook some steak.
Get some steak and burgers going.
Yeah. So turn it down.
Levi, you got her all fired up, right?
Yep.
We're gonna try out this grill. Man, you can feel the heat coming off there, can't you? The heat is so nice and even now, unlike before.
Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful.